There's nothing like a good coffee to kickstart the day, and it's a good thing we've got some barista coffee machines and more up for grabs in our Win Big with ELITE Abrasives promotion. From August 1st to September 30th, 2024, every pack of our best-selling ELITE Abrasives gives you a 1 in 4 chance to win an instant prize. We have over $20,000 worth of amazing prizes up for grabs, including barista coffee machines with mugs, chili bins loaded with ELITE energy drinks, new ELITE hoodies, and ELITE welding caps. To be in to win, simply order a complete pack of ELITE 933 grinding discs, ELITE 911 cutting discs, ELITE 917 aluminium cutting discs, ELITE 913 razor hub cutting discs, or ELITE 103 flap discs. Find the prize code on the side of the pack, then jump online to euromarc.co.nz/instant-win. Enter the code and check if you've won. So quick, so easy. Don't miss out on your chance to win big with ELITE Abrasives. Order yours today and start winning.